a 15-minute fast wash test against chocolate syrup. Although technically we did a 19-minute fast wash because this washer has a special way of dissolving pods, so that's what we used. Oh, and that's the hand of Lori, also known as Now It's Clean, beside me. We're both members of P&G's Laundry League, and we both had two very different methods of applying the chocolate syrup to the aprons. Honestly, I like her method better. It's certainly a much better stress test for the washer.
We're gonna go ahead and place this in the unit. We're gonna turn it to our 15-minute fast wash. And then because we have pods selected, because we put a pod in here, it's actually gonna bump it up a few minutes to give that pod time to truly break down. And so we're gonna go ahead here and click start and let this get right to work.
The fast wash cycle is specifically designed for lightly soiled, small loads of laundry. And I know that for a fact because Electrolux was kind enough to gift me a washer and dryer set of my own. So of course I read the manual where it explains which cycle is best for different loads of laundry. 19 minutes later. Our 15 plus 4-minute fast wash was finally finished, and Joey showed us the result.
Not even leveraging a full cleaning cycle. Look at that. No chocolate sauce whatsoever. What's really exciting about this is this was truly just our 15-minute fast wash. The fact that we didn't even leverage a stain treat, we didn't leverage any of those specialty options. And the other really exciting thing here is that this lab actually doesn't have hot water. So we ran this on a cold water cycle. So again, as we talk about our partnership and turning the tide to cold, the fact that you can see how even in that 15-minute fast wash, thanks to the great detergent, but also the fact that we have that amazing Smart Boost technology, truly kind of leverages best-in-class stain removal.